Hey friends, thanks for joining me. We are going to take this vise and put it on this side of the table that's been broken off. We're going to repair the table, put the vise back on, make this a working workstation. All right friends, so we got a lot of work to do here. But first, I want to introduce you to a coffee company that makes coffee for hardworking Americans. This is Revere Coffee Company, and they make coffee for people who work hard and are patriots in this country. And it also tastes really, really good. This stuff is some of the best I've tasted. I really enjoy it. I got the whole bean, the Old Glory roast, and it is fantastic. I highly recommend it. If you drink coffee and you enjoy drinking coffee, you should get some Old Glory, because Revere Coffee Company is amazing, really tasty. All right, moving on. Okay, so we are going to take this vise and put it on here. This broke out at some point in its life. I don't know when, but we have about 3/4 inch we're going to replace here, and that might actually work out real good just to take this much out right here, only the length of this vise. So I'm going to lay this out, then I will cut it out, and then I will probably shift it over so that it's not in the same holes. I'll drill some holes here, put the screws in, and hopefully it will be a working vise, and we'll be able to have students work here and not have a spot where they could work, but there's no vise. Let's get to it. there we go, folks. Vise is on the table. All that's left is put a handle in. I replaced the plastic handles with these plumbing fittings because students are kind of hard on things sometimes, and these metal fittings are not going to crack and break like the plastic ones. Just something I do. Just have to watch your fingers so you don't get a little blood blister. That's it, folks. Make sure you work hard in whatever you're doing, and have a good one.